I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some questions from previous test paper to practice for your own test. The question here is, Peter is trying to cut a face card from a deck of cards. What is the probability that he will cut his first face card on the fourth cut? And part B is, how many times do you expect him to cut the cards before getting his first face card? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's first understand what is a face card, right? So on a deck we have 52 cards, right? 52 cards are there in a deck of card, right? In a deck of card. Face cards are Jack, Queen, and King. 4 of each kind, right? So 4 of each kind, right? Hearts, spades, diamonds, and clubs. So basically we have 12 face cards. So out of 52, 12 are face cards and 40 are not face cards. Okay. So when you're talking about distributions, it's always good to see the problem as face card, not face card, right? Success or failure. That's the whole idea, right? Now let's look into this. Peter is trying to cut a face card from a deck of cards. What is the probability that he will cut his first face card on the fourth cut? That is to say, first, second, third is not a face card. These are not face cards, but the fourth one is a face card. So that is what it means, correct? So in this case, let us define a random variable x as face card. So if you get a face card, then it is success. So cut, which gives you a face card. So not a face card is not a success for you, right? Now probability of success in this case is, since we have 12 face cards, it is 12 over 52. And clearly the failure is out of 40, right? So if you pick out of 40, then 40 out of 52 is the failure. So this means we have a success here after failure, failure, and failure, right? So that is how you can see this question. And therefore, we can directly get a probability. So the answer should be 40 over 52, which is Q, right? Cube, 1, 2, 3. And followed by a success, which is 12 over 52, correct? So that is your answer, right? Okay, let's calculate this answer. It is 40 divided by 52 whole cube times 12 divided by 52, right? Which is equals to decimal value 0.105. Is it okay? So that is the answer for this one. Now let's look into the next one, which is, how many times do you expect him to cut the cards before getting his first face card? Now this could be done in two different ways. Since it is how many times do you expect him to cut the cards before getting his first face card, I'll call this as weighting, right? So we'll use the weighting formula for expectancy, right? So in case of weighting, it is the ratio of these two, right? It is Q over P, correct? So in that case, it is 40 over 52 divided by 12 over 52. And let's find this. 52 cancel. We have to divide 40 by 12. So 40 divided by 12 equals to, in decimals, 3.33. Less than 3.33, right? So that becomes the, so you have to wait for at least 3. So on the fourth trial, you can get a success in this particular scenario, right? So I hope that helps you to get all the things together. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.